This Hummingbird feeder is amazing. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this Hummingbird feeder with a camera. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. And honestly, this thing is so cool. So this is a nice sized Hummingbird feeder with 3 little ports for the birds to eat from. In the box, you're going to get the feeder, the camera, a charging cable, a 32 gig card that you can install into this, a hook for hanging, a user manual, and some brushes to make cleaning this so much easier. This was so easy to set up. Basically, you install the app, connect to the camera, assemble your feeder, fill it with nectar. Remember, don't add any food coloring, it is not needed, and then hang it in place. You are ready to go. I do want to note that this does have a subscription service that you can get, and it's going to use AI to identify the hummingbirds, but you can also use it without that as well. For this review, I did not join up for the subscription service, but I might in the future. Inside the app, there are a ton of settings from the length of the clips, SD or HD recording, the lights, an alarm, your notifications. There are so many things to check out inside of the app. When a hummingbird arrives, you're going to get a notification and you're going to get to see who is eating at your feeder. You can even share these moments with your friends. We have been using this for a few weeks now and we have had no issues with leaks. The birds seem to absolutely love it. I did make sure to hang it up close to our existing feeder so that the birds could kind of transition from one to the other. Make sure when putting this together that you snap and screw everything together tightly and you shouldn't have any issues with leaks. I do want to note that the one tiny issue we had with this is the motion detection. If the wind is blowing and the feeder moves, you might get a notification. I set mine to the lowest sensitivity and that did seem to help quite a bit. And then I just put my notifications on silent. So it's really only a minor issue. All of the footage that you have seen in this video is directly from the camera on this feeder. I do have it set to HD. This feeder is so much fun. It's easy to use, it works great, and you get to see the little hummingbird friends enjoying their meals. Oh, one more thing. Be sure to wash this and refresh your food at least once a week. The birds will thank you for it. We recommend this.